Okay. So now we will be going into designing cover pages. Okay. Book covers. This is on 71, module 2 slide. Or you can just go to Canva directly on Google. First of all, how many of you all want to write books?
Eventually. I have written.
Okay, and he's also has it. Did you publish it?
Yes.
Okay.
In high school.
Okay.
It's not good for your published.
Except book.
So does this have the e-book version as well on Amazon?
I'm going to put
Okay. On Kindle.
have already been
Okay. So what do you think you'll want to, do you have any name for your book already set in mind, or you can just come up with a hypothetical name? Okay. Start designing your book cover. Canva. Just put Canva directly. It's on, or otherwise you can just access this through this link on 71 slide. I don't know.
So we'll have to feed book cover here. What would you like to design?
I think anything.
Anything. If you want to make, see, like for example, if I can show you, this is what my Instagram account looks like. So this, you can use pictures. What I've done is I've taken different pictures from Unsplash, and I have maintained my page this way. Okay. So on Canva, you can do the similar thing. On Canva, you have the, well,
Ma'am, these are your quotes written,
yeah.
and the pictures are from Unsplash. Hello.
Unsplash, like websites and all that, no? The free one which doesn't come under copyrights.
Okay, so you've taken from different websites the pictures.
Yeah, different websites which are, like for example, Unsplash is one that is free.
Okay. Not from Canva. You've not taken it from Canva.
You can take it from Canva also.
Okay.
So once we choose to design something, then
Do you have to sign up for it?
I just logged in using an email ID.
Okay, fine.
I use Google. Are you using your same mail ID?
I have logged in, ma'am. I used to use Canva before also. So I've logged
Okay.
in.
Ma'am, so should we have to give your email ID?
You can just say login. Google. Do you have to sign up and all for it?
Yeah.
Yes, you have to sign
Can
up
you-
with your Google ID. Or you have to make a new account.
Okay.
Cover page, right?
Yeah, cover page. You have different. See, you can say create design. You can choose a design here, or you can. 1 second. You just put it.
It is showing differently for it's not showing.
Fine. Okay, so now you can. Yeah, it is. Okay, so there are some that are free. See here, this is the important thing. Now, if you want, here you have a design here that you want to create, you can choose it. If you want to create a poster, there are different, because what happens for Facebook cover pages for Facebook cover photos, the dimension sometimes may not match to the dimension that you select from another platform. So that is where this issue could be solved. When you create, say, Facebook cover, it exactly picks up the dimension required for the Facebook cover. So if you want for a Facebook post, again, and if you want for an Instagram post. So y'all can start creating. If you want a blog banner, card, anything. You choose an Insta. Are y'all doing it? Yeah, choose the book cover if you want to choose your Instagram post. See, if you click on this, it directly takes you to the book cover thing. Start designing your book cover. Is it loading? Online participants, are you all able to do this?
Ma'am, I've started doing it.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So I've made the screen small, so I'm not able to see you for some time till I'm doing it.
It's not. Has it open for anyone here? Okay. Okay, so this is simple. You can start. Okay. Select on the delete it and
I chose the
yeah.
Ma'am, can I ask you, how did you choose this ebook page? Where was this option?
I clicked on this
Hello.
link here. There is a way
Ma'am,
where
I can't hear you. Hello.
For book covers.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can't hear you clearly.
No, you know what happened is because I believe until now all the batches were like about 5 and 6. So it was fine. If you have a bigger batch, we need to inform them beforehand. So they were like, we didn't really know about this. So next time these guys will have to pay more for them to give us another Wi-Fi thing, which will, be used by many people. So this is the thing which we will have to go speak to them, and then they will arrange another alternative. The next class. Okay, just very simple. Just replace the text with your own text, all right? You can even choose the color, you can choose the font, all of this, which is very basic and simple.
kind of edit only.
Yeah, it's all the same. You have all the options over here. Here, bold, italics, you can change the color, you can change the font. Okay.
Ma'am, the picture which I've chosen, I'm not changing the font or anything, and the
Yeah, it's fine.
quotation. Yeah, okay.
So after we do all that, we just save it, is it?
Yeah. Or you can download it.
Ma'am, download should be PNG form or what form, the file?
No, it can be anything.
When you're downloading it, you can keep it as PNG file or GPG file.
GPG. PNG.
Okay.
Better. PNG.
It should be PNG?
It is better.
Okay. Okay.
But when I try to save it as, it says only HTML only. So then it is-
You might have been save as, right?
Yeah.
Click the menu down.
Which one?
Right and save.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thanks. So this is a premium